camera.
It's all about the camera. What we got?
Ah.
Shoot, boy! Oh, you suck.
Are these expensive?
No. See ya.
That was pretty.
Faster. Ready? Like out of my eye. Alright, see, I'm out again.
Mine has stayed lit the whole time. Y'all just have to know how to relight it.
Let's all chase Justin. Okay, let's do it.
If it starts to go out, put it up like that and it relights itself.
Did you video that?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Oh, shit.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
He's on
Your
fire.
shirt! I'm out.
Run, Bubba, run!
Keep that one clung onto your shirt. I know, but that's why I'm turning my face away every time I get hit.
Because my husband's jacket is burning.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Got it? I can't get this one lit. Shit.
Go, Bubba!
Woo!
Shit. Oh! And this, kids, is why you should be careful playing with fireworks. That's what happened in that one scene you saw. He actually got hit in the face, but luckily he wears glasses, so it missed his eye, but it kind of, as you can see, don't turn. He's got a little burn right there, and it burned and bruised him right around the eye. He's totally fine, but y'all just be really careful when you guys play with fireworks.
Good. I can actually sit back and watch it this year. Dick. Pop. There it goes. How much? Ah, there we go. Happy New Year! Jake!
Happy New Year!
Woo! How much time?
Right now.
Oh, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Champagne. Woo! Happy New Year!
Get your champagne. Oh, that's up close.
Getting rained on.
Wow.
Who needs New York City when you...
Those are neon ones?
Yeah.
That's the neon one. That's a green one.
Last year?
Yeah. I couldn't get them to light.
No, we tried all of them last year. Oh, that's bright.
That's bright. Walk over here, woman. Amy's playing pyrotechnic lady with her minion pants on. Blue. And your minions are lighting up pretty good. That's nice. Just don't set them on fire. Yeah, let them play for a little bit. All right, let's go on film. 1, 2.
Woo!
There's Meredith. Meredith's got one. Okay, Tony's filming Meredith. I'm filming Amy.
I'm filming everybody. I'm on wide angle.
Oh, you're out on one. They don't last very long. Boy, they burn quick. Huh?
She's coming in for a landing.
She's whatever dancing.
Red and blue.
That's funny.
You want to in the fire?
Yeah, that's fine. No milk.
Good morning and Happy New Year's. My little vulture family is out in full force today. Look at all of them. It's so awesome. see if I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I think there's 17. That is the most I've ever seen. It's freaking fantastic. I guess they like the cold, rainy weather. Happy New Year's, guys. Hey guys, so my friend for Christmas got me this little rocket blender. It comes with a little 20-ounce container. Probably would mainly use it to make sauces and dressings and things like that. Stuff that's a little bit too small to be going in that big old Vitamix. But today I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to make my mango smoothies that I usually have when I have to get up at 4 a.m. because the next 2 days I have to get up at 4 a.m. So it'll be a couple of small batches, but I'll show you how it works. Let's see. And then you can see I have my little jars ready over here. My mango smoothies are going to be a little bit smaller than normal. I usually do a pound of frozen mango, but I only have 3/4 of a pound per smoothie instead of a pound, so I'm adding some chia seeds to it to bulk it up a little bit. So it'll kind of be like a chia seed mango smoothie pudding thing. Anyways, I'm getting my mango thawed so it'll blend a lot easier, and then I will show you how it works. Alright, while the mango is thawing, I'm going to measure out the milk I'm using, and I'm going to use this coconut milk that I had bought for a recipe. So mango and coconut go good together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a cup of the milk at a time with some of the mango and see how much it can take, and then just kind of evenly distribute it throughout the jar. So there's my cup, and then I know this is the exciting part, the pour. See if I can pour and film at the same time, right? So let's see. So that's about a cup. So if I fill it to just above the bulge, it'd be about a cup. And then what I'll probably do is fill about another cup or so of mango chunks in there, and then blend it up and see if that'll blend nicely. So I will film the blending. Alright, sorry for there's a lot of stuff in the way. I got about a cup-ish of the mango chunks. I'm going to add that in, because this is only like a 240 watt engine, and these are only partially thawed mango chunks, so I don't know how well the motor will handle frozen fruit just yet. Alright. That still gives it a little bit of space at the top, which is probably a good thing. A little more liquid would probably be an even better thing, but I want to see what this can do. Nice and tight, I hope. Nice and tight. Alright. Let's put it on the base. And it says to turn it clockwise. Alright, it's locked in place. And just push the little button and see if you can see how it goes. So what was that, like 20, 30 seconds? Looks pretty blended. Ooh, let me see what the texture's like. Good. Tastes like coconut milk. Only coconut milk. Alright, so I'm going to do is do this again, and then I'm just going to distribute it between my two jars here. And I'll show you the end result. Alright guys, a little machine did pretty good. I think it left like a couple of chunks here or there, probably more of the frozen ones. So I put like 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds at the bottom, probably closer to 2. And then I'm just going to mix it up and that's what it's going to look like. And I'm going to put those in the fridge and I'm going to have those the next 2 days for breakfast. Looks pretty good. Get that mixed through before it gets all frozen to the bottom. So this should make it a little bit thicker in the morning and then a little bit more substantial. And it's really coconutty, so this is going to take 2 hands to mix because I've got like cold stuff sitting on top of the chia seeds, but it just looks kind of cool. It's like a lava lamp or something. Alright guys, hope you had a good New Year's Day, and keep coming back and looking for new recipes, and I will see y'all later. Bye guys.